Hi Oil Lifers! We are here in the Oil Life kitchen today cooking. Cooking with essential oils is possible and it's fabulous. We are going to make quiche. These, I actually call them breakfast quiche because we eat them in the mornings. I made a small grab and go option. The recipe is in the Simple Cooking with Essential Oils book. This is a book that I wrote. And the picture on the front is the quiche. It's kind of my happy recipe. DoTERRA had a cooking with oils competition a few years back, and they asked us to cook with thyme essential oil, and this has thyme in it. I was one of 5 winners for the nationwide competition, and that recipe can be found in the book. Today we're adapting it just a little bit because I have kids at home and I am recipe testing for my next book that will include kids in cooking. So we're gonna go over this and get this ready for you. If you actually want to prepare some ingredients, some of this you will already have in your home. You need eggs, of course, 6 eggs, a little bit of hot sauce, that's my secret ingredient. This is heavy whipping cream. I use thyme and rosemary essential oil in this recipe. And then any toppings or fillings that you want in the quiche. We're gonna fill it today with vegetables and we're gonna top it with tomatoes and feta cheese. So we'll go ahead and get started. If you wanna get those ready, then we'll show you what to do. So this is a recipe that you can make about 12 of the muffin size quiche, or a large quiche pan would work. You can use a pie pan. There's a bunch of different options. You'll just want to watch the baking time to make sure that it is cooked all the way through. But today we are going to use the little muffin tins. So 6 eggs in the pot. And then this is, if you go by the carton, it's a 1/2 pint or about 8 ounces. This is nice. It adds a little creamy texture and a little bit of sweetness. A little bit of salt and pepper. Fresh cracked pepper if you have it. Why not? You can also add a drop or a toothpick swirl of black pepper essential oil or pink pepper essential oil. We're going to add a little squirt of hot sauce. And then the oils. I do 1 drop of rosemary essential oil, or 2, and thyme essential oil. We'll do 3 of those. And then we'll mix it up. The fun thing about this recipe is you can change the flavor with the oils that you add or the fillings that you use. Just make the eggs and the custard and you can do anything that you would like. You could do ham, sausage and cheese, just all vegetables. You could do spinach artichoke dip or chicken. It really is endless. You can just use the egg base for anything that you would like. I love this because it's easy. So I have muffin tins here and we'll just fill them. Now this is a combination of zucchini and butternut squash, crookneck squash. When I wrote the recipe for the competition, I also included broccoli and cauliflower in this for a full veggie quiche. It's a lot of fun to just use your leftovers that you have in the fridge, change up the flavor profile, and have something easy to grab and go for breakfast. This is great for my working husband. He's up early in the mornings and he just pops a couple of these in the microwave and he is ready to go. So I have the filling in there. We're just gonna pour some of the custard over the top. You don't wanna fill it all the way full. I'd say probably 3/4. And it is gonna seep through the topping, the filling, and we are going to top it. So you only want about 3/4. And we've used all kinds of cheese too. Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, cheddar. It really is a good way to use up any leftovers. This is a 1/2 cup measuring cup, and I'm only using about 1/4 cup. So that just gives you an idea about how full you would like it to be. And then you make it pretty. So this, we'll just crumble some feta, arrange some tomatoes, and I like to cook the tomatoes with it. You could put them on fresh, but I do like that cooked and roasted tomato on the top. These go in a 350-degree oven. Mine in my home cook for about 30 minutes. You'll want to keep an eye on it, maybe start at 25 and then put a knife through the middle and make sure that it comes out clean. That's how you will know they're done. And they should have a little bit of golden color on the top. So you can arrange them pretty. You could even put these in with the vegetables if you don't want the roasted tomatoes on the top. It doesn't get easier. So you bake these off and pull them out. You can refrigerate them, and the quiche will freeze well too. So we did a sprayed muffin tin today, and they should just pop right out. You can do the little paper, muffin tin papers if you need to, but you can pop them out. I would suggest that you put them in a Ziploc 2 at a time or 3 at a time, whatever your serving may be. You can freeze them and then reheat them in the microwave or the oven. And the combinations are endless. This here is a mushroom, spinach, and feta, and sausage, cheddar, and tomato. So thanks for joining today. Again, the recipe can be found in the Simple Cooking with Essential Oils, and we will get the recipe up for you. This is available at Oil Life and online with Oil Life. So please get it. Let us know if you make it, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.